today's lecture is actually in the continuity of the where clause. Today's topic of discussion is how to get the multiple rows from the SQL Server table using the equals to sign. So here in front of you I have written down a query which is actually getting the data from the employees table again, and it is currently utilizing the where clause, and there is a certain column with a value in it, with a predicate logic applied to it. So if I only select the select clause over here, I will get the whole data of the table which is coming right now, right? And then there is a column which is job title, which I have highlighted over here, and there are various there's a like a lot of information which is actually present over here. So I want to get all the information with respect to job title, which should contain a value coming as senior tool engineer, sorry, designer, senior tool designer. So in plain English, I am just saying like I would like to see all the rows which have the job title senior tool designer, right? So if if and in SQL Server statement I am just saying like select static from that particular table where job title is equal to senior tool designer. So how it should act, it will actually get all the information which will contain job title equals to senior tool engineer, and there's a one row which is coming over here right now, and there might be more rows over here as well, right? So when I will execute this statement, I'm getting two rows where right, and you can see like here the business entity ID is different, like it's not in a continuity, it's 4 and 11, and there's a lot of information, but the common information is job title senior tool designer in this case, right? So we can have another example of it. For example, I would like to see all the rows which are coming as marketing assistant, right? So I'm just copying it right now for the sake of saving time. Okay, it's not getting copied. And when I execute the statement, I'm getting 3 rows. Again, it's not in the continuity with respect to business entity ID, but all the rows which are having job title, which is actually marketing assistant. Let's play along with it with this where clause as well. Like if I want to see job title, uh, like again the marketing assistant, but this time I am actually giving marketing M as a small and this G in capital. So what will happen? Let's see the impact of it, and I suppose it will work. Yes, it does. So why I have given you this example, because SQL Server is not case sensitive, when it comes to where clause uh, involving strings, right? So any character by a string I mean any character data. So this is actually what I have meant. Like you can actually, if you actually somehow mistype the string in terms of capital letters, so you don't need to worry about it, right? So this is one way. And again you equals to operator also apply with respect to numerical value. For example, if I would like to see job all the jobs, all the roles with respect to organizational level, and it is, let's suppose, 4. So I will get all the information coming from the human resource employee table with respect to organizational level, which is actually 4. I have written down here, right? So when I will execute the statement, I am getting around about 190 rows. And the organize with respect to organizational level, right now the job title is different among these rows. So again, you can use equals to operator with respect to different columns, but I think I have given you the hint about the where clause. So that's it. I hope so that you will like this video, and please do subscribe my channel.